In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add Discord link to your TikTok. So if this sounds interesting, then keep watching this video till the end. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our new coming videos. So the first things first, let's get the link of Discord. Tap and open up your Discord app and head over to your server. Here you can see this is my server. If you've not created your server, you can tap on this plus and create your own server. And after that you'll land on this page. You can tap on the three lines on the top left and again tap on the three dots here, and now you'll see an option for invite. Tap on invite. Now this link expires within 7 days, so we don't want that to happen, so we tap on the settings icon and set the expiry date to never and also set the max users to infinity. Now this way infinite number of people can click through the link and join your Discord server. After that's done, open up your TikTok app. Now from the home screen of TikTok, you can tap on your profile. Before you add any kind of external links, you need to make sure that you switch your account to a business account first. You can tap on these three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy, and from here you can head over to account, and in account you'll see an option for switch to business account. You can tap on that and tap on next. Here you can choose any kind of category that you want. For now, I'll select personal blog and tap on next. You can also add in your email, but you can also skip it, maybe later. And that's done. You've created and switched to a business account. Now after that, you can tap on edit profile. Now you can see after you tap on edit profile, you should be able to see a website, an option called website here. In mine it says email because the website adding feature has not worked in my region. So if you live in a region where the update is available, you can easily see an option for website. Other than that, you'll also need to have 1,000 followers before you'll have an option called website. But depending upon your region, you could or could not have the option of adding the website. So for now, you can add it to your bio. You can simply paste the link and tap on save. Now this won't be a clickable link, but if you have 1,000 followers or you live in an area where the website option is available, then you could easily add in the link or a clickable link to your profile on TikTok. So yeah, that's how to add a Discord link to your TikTok. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more interesting content similar to this.